got this exceptionally functional and lovely laundry hamper for review, and it is fantastic. Here it is in a bathroom, and I'm about to show it to you in a laundry room. Let's look at it a little more closely. You have 2 shelves to put anything you want on, and then it has the laundry hamper itself, which pulls right out. It will not fall out to throw all your laundry in. And this entire bag is just Velcroed in, so you can undo it, grab it by the handles, and take it to the laundry room. So this is one use for it. It also has caster wheels that you can lock and unlock to roll it around as you wish. Let me show you it in the laundry room. And here it is in my laundry room. This is where I will be using it because I love that it gives me extra shelving for cleaning towels. I can throw all of our kitchen or any tossed laundry right in here so it's hidden and out of sight. And I can put all my laundry detergents and cleaners on top. Fantastic. It's really perfect. I will be removing this hook because it is no longer needed. Now let me show you how easy this was to put together. Here's what comes in the box. It was all zip tied together, so I took all those off. And we start with the main frame by putting on the hinging door and adding one of the connector pieces. That was pretty easy. Everything's super light and super strong. Next up is putting a bunch of these along the bottom to hold the whole thing together. Base frame is in place. Now it's time to add the casters. Casters are on. Now it's time to make this stop flopping by adding on the rest of the hamper base. I love that the hamper is designed to never fall out and it doesn't hit the next shelf up. Now here's the laundry hamper bag. It is a very durable, looks like a plasticized canvas that will really hold up. It opens up large and it has these 2 big handles for when you want to take it out and take it to the laundry room. It's starting to look like a laundry hamper. Let's add the top 2 shelves. And here it is. It was really quick and easy to put together. It's very light and easy for one person to do. And there you have it, a really solid laundry hamper with shelving. Use it however it best fits your home.